Hey guys, Marquita here, Marquita LV Luxury. Quick PSA. I'm always giving PSAs, but listen up. We are going to talk about luxury SLGs. If you don't know, SLG stands for small leather goods. And yes, I have plenty. I want to tell you this. I started with 54. Every time I bought a luxury handbag, I felt as if I could not leave if I didn't purchase a card holder or a wallet. I stopped at. Now I have 24 SLGs in my collection because 30 of them I just honestly wasn't using. And the 24 I'm still not using now. Let me tell you something. Switching handbags for me was a problem, and also switching card holders. I have, I think like 16 credit cards. I don't like debit cards. 16 credit cards. This does a trick. This is the Brazza wallet. I found every time that I switch card holders, I switch wallets, I will always leave something important behind. So moving forward, I made up in my mind, when I switch into a large handbag, this is the only wallet that I need. Also, when I switch into a smaller handbag, if this doesn't fit, this is the card holder I need. I was a matchy person. No, I'm not going to buy a monogram card holder every time I buy a monogram handbag. This will do the trick. You see the monogram? It does the trick as well. It works. And keep in mind, luxury SLGs range from, I think the cheapest is like $350, and they can go up all the way to like $1,400. It just depends on which SLG you are picking out. So be careful with that. So I told myself I am going to stop. I am just going to keep all of my items because this is what's working. If it's working, don't change it. That's how I feel. So if I have a large handbag like this, I don't care if it doesn't match the same print. I don't care. They don't need to be looking inside my handbag anyway. I am just going to use this wallet and I'm just going to put it in the large handbag. And if I do need to switch to a smaller handbag, I am going with this card holder here. And yes, I do have different prints, guys. There was no need for this SLG. This was for my sunglasses. You know what? Yeah, it was a need for this. So I don't just put my sunglasses in my purse. So let me find something else. Yes, I need my mini pochette. You see where I'm getting with this, guys? I need to stop. I felt like I needed this unprint card holder, right? Because I have unprint leather handbags. It got me. Why couldn't I just use this? I don't know. See, I think I need this as well. This right here. Just for your key or change. I didn't need this. But this is supposed to hold your keys. I have a key ring holder that holds my key. So why do I need this? You can put change in here. Yes, you can put cards. You know what? I think I do need this. Let me find something else. Okay, this is a cigarette holder. It holds your packs of cigarettes. I didn't need this. This is an SLG I didn't need. But inside, I have my lip gloss. You know what? I think I need this too. But I have a mini pochette that I can use. Passport holder. You guys, you see how... Why do I need all these? See, over here, it's saying I don't need them. But then over here, it's saying, yes, you do need them. You know what? I think we all need counseling. I really do. But passport holder. I could have easily went on Amazon and just ordered a passport holder. So why did I need this SLG? And yes, it's cute and I love the pink inside. See, we always have reasons. You know what? I'm just going to take my items inside and just keep collecting. I'm sorry, guys. Have a good day. Bye.